Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the FbCadCam application using the Move, Copy, Rotate and Flip tool. To use the Move, Copy, Rotate, Flip tool, you can draw first the line. For example, I want to create a triangle here. If I want to move this, just disable this icon, then highlight your object, then click the Move tool, and then it moves you directly. It moves you automatically when you click it. Just zoom out this. So it moves you directly here. So if you want to copy it, just highlight it again, then click this copy tool icon, so that when you clicked it and move here at the left, then it copies you automatically in your object. If you click the right click button, it deletes the continuous copying your object. So as you can see, there are two triangles here now, so that if you want to rotate it, just highlight these two objects, then click the rotate tool. Then when you click the object, it will rotate it directly anything you want. If you want to rotate it to using 360 degrees position, or if you want to rotate it in the right. So for example, I create another object called box, or square. If I want to use the copy rotate it, then I want to disable first here, then click the copy rotate, then highlight it, then I want to rotate it here, 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 so that I can rotate while copying my objects, so that it looks like this. So I created a circle rotation for my object by copying it. So I created another object in elliptical tool version, so that if you want to use the flip vertical tool, just highlight first the object and then go to the flip vertical tool, then click the object, and it flips you to the vertical position, so that my elliptical end arc start and arc end here, turn it to down. That's how you use the flip vertical tool. So if you want to flip horizontal, just click this and then click the object. It directs you to the horizontal position, so it flips you from my arc start and arc end from right to left. So as you can see, it flips you in the horizontal position. See, so if I want to copy flip vertical, just click this icon and click the object, then it copies the flip vertical tool. Then if I click this copy flip horizontal, click the object, and it turns into horizontal, and it copies my object into horizontal. Flip vertical and horizontal, if you use it and click the object, so it directs you to the disk. Then if I want to copy flip vertical and horizontal, it copies from directly here, and it copies another object from this direction. So I think that's how you use the Move, Copy, Rotate, Flip. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. Leave a like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.